Jumbled Words Quiz, investing terms, 60 questions, one topic. Let's go. Word number 1, a place to keep money. What's the word? Bank. Word number 2, bond. Number 3, money for investment. Fund. Potential for loss. Risk. Number 5, rate. Word number 6, debt. Physical currency. Cash. A precious metal. Very easy to guess. That's right, gold. Word number 9, loan. To trade something. Sell. To retain possession. Hold. Word number 12, gain. And what's the opposite of gain? Loss. The price of something is called cost. Word number 15, a business transaction. Deal. It's a type of a currency. Coin. Word number 17, save. Here is the next investing term. Earn. To leave. What's the word? This is the hint. Exit. Okay, we are on to word number 20 now. Swap. Stock market optimist. Bull. And what's the pessimist of stock market called? Bear. A market movement in unit, rather a market movement unit. Tick. To fall or decrease. Drop. Word number 25, rise. A market order type. Call. Word number 27, puts. Foundation level. Base. Without bias. Fair. To label something. Mark. The highest point. Peak. Information. Data. to increase in size. Grow. A measurable period. Time. Number 37. Real. Information. Data. Thank you for watching. You can watch these videos next, and don't forget to like and subscribe.